Hello guys. 안녕하세요, Kitty입니다. I'm back again today. I'm going to be watching a video about Korean gamers. Okay, so I know a lot of Koreans play League of Legends. Go to the PC방 or the computer cafes or internet cafes. But I decided today I was going to do a reaction to like these crazy Korean gamers who freak out. I know people get crazy when they lose. So here we go. I'm not sure who this is. This one is titled Korean Gamer Goes Crazy. Hilarious. LOL. Okay. Why is this dude shirtless first off? And why? Sheepheck? Does that mean defeat? He sounds like, I don't know what he sounds like. Oh my god. Alright. He's like. This guy is funny. Is this guy on Africa TV? Africa TV? How does he not break his cam? Oh, she's so cute. She died. Only when I play games, I just lose. Use Hana. Sona. I feel so bad for her right now. I feel you, girl. I feel you. Is she crying? I want to sell this girl. Yeah. Oh, there's another guy. Oh my god. I'm just waiting for all these guys to die. I need to pay attention. Oh my god. You can just hear that bass boots like. White guy! No, he's not white. It's so funny because it's like you ever see those dank memes and they like totally just amp up the bass so it's like and you can't hear anything going on. That's why this guy's so funny, because he slammed his keyboard so hard the mic can't properly register it. I'm gonna cry. And just slam. It's so loud. This poor guy, he just like, I wanna win. You're not winning, son. You're not winning. I'm like gonna cry. Yeah, well anyway, thanks for watching guys. I'm gonna make more videos really soon. I've just been like stressed and crap is going on in my life, so thanks for watching guys. 안녕.